Don't get me wrong, Google Maps is great for getting you from point A to point B, but when it's time to buckle up and get directions in your car, Waze might be the way to go. That's why Google paid north of $1 billion for it back in 2013, and that's also why Google appears to be bringing Waze's best features to Google Maps. Some lucky navigators around the world are now seeing options to flag car accidents and speed traps directly inside the Google Maps app, all in hopes of giving everyone a more accurate understanding of the road conditions around them. For now at least, we're not sure if Google plans to make this feature a core part of its Maps app, or if it's just trying things out for the hell of it. What we do know is that Google has been kicking around the idea for at least a few months now. The folks at Android Police took a look inside Google Maps' Android app package over the summer and found evidence that Google was gearing up to make this kind of incident reporting available to its users. We're also pretty sure this feature is going to need a lot more polish before it becomes available to more people. According to an Australian Redditor who has access to the feature, you can apparently only flag speed traps and cameras when Google Maps is giving you turn-by-turn directions. That means if you're, driving around your neighborhood or anywhere you don't need navigation, you can't report incidents that others should probably know about. That might not sound like a huge deal, but Waze lets you do exactly that, and it genuinely does help everyone on the road. The line between Google Maps and Waze may continue to blur, but between its superior reporting tools and those neat celebrity voices that pop up sometimes,
heavy traffic reported ahead. Traffic, my least favorite kind of jam.
You're probably still better off sticking to Waze for your next commute on the turnpike. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.